Hi YouTube, it's Dirty Dems, aka Demograffix, aka the best looking ugly kid. And today is the part 6 of the mural painting in the house. And it's the last installment of artwork. So the wall behind me is going to have a logo, this logo just up here. And if we look up there on that bit up here, it's going to have a Batman logo. There's going to be a Batman, half a Batman wing and the other half with the Joker, ha ha ha, sort of the laughing wing. So that's going to be in red, and that's just going to go just up there, sort of central where the Hulk is. So that's the last instalment of artwork for this project before Christmas. I've got my laptop and projector set up on the bench. And it's at a certain height, so we can get the logo sort of halfway up the wall to a nice height. It's pretty miserable outdoors, raining. This actual area here is going to have a swimming pool here, so that's going to be pretty amazing once all that's done. And the garden work is all going to be transformed, so the house is going to look epic once it's all done. But yeah, days like this when it's pouring with rain, you're kind of grateful to be on a job indoors and to be working under the shelter of the indoors. So I'm just masking off the area. So what I've done is I've put tape along the skirting, and I've got this thin dust sheet which I'm going to then stick to the underside of the tape, and this will stop any paint splatter falling on his gym mats, so it's keeping the floor nice and protected, and it just covers all the gym mats that are there. And soon, once I've masked off all the plug sockets, I can start sketching up and painting. Again, I've done a lip here to catch any of the paint that might fall down and splatter on the rest of the wall. So that's like a table to catch any drips. So I've used masking tape to mask off the stripes, and I'm building the purple border, and then I'm going to work on the inside. So I've got the sides of the border done now. I think next I'm probably going to tackle the numbers, so I'm going to fill them in black, and then once I've got the black numbers, do the shadow, the drop shadow, and then do the purple lettering inside. So I had a slight change of plan. I was going to do the numbers first and then the letters, but what would have happened would have been that the black would have been too dark for the projector to show the letters. So I've had to adapt and overcome the problem by writing the letters first and then doing the shape of the numbers. So a lot of the time my artwork is about coming across problems and trying to solve them. So this way, although the letters now aren't perfect, they are the right size and in the right place, and they can be neatened up later on. So the next stage for me is now to outline the black numbers 934. Okay, so I'm all marked up now. Got it all on there. I shouldn't really need the projector too much more now, other than to do the shadow, but I've got it all sketched up, and I've been using this stick as a straight edge just to get the straight edges. I know they're a bit messy, but I can neaten them up with some white, and I can also neaten up the purple. So I think the next stage now is to fill in the black numbers before I neaten up the purple lettering. Okay, so it's all blocked in. Doesn't look great at the moment, but my plans are to go over the purple lettering, then cut them back again with some black, and then some white, and then do the shadow, and hopefully we should be finished after that. But yeah, it's just mainly filled in now, so it's about cutting back everything, making it nice and sharp again. So you can see it's quite hard. I'm working from the right over to the left, using the stick as a straight edge, but you can see the right hand side is neater, and I'm working my way across.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so it's getting there. Now I just need to neaten it up with some white, and I'm thinking, instead of trying to use a white spray can and getting splatters everywhere of white paint, use the white paint that the builders were using when they painted this wall. So I'm going to ask the builders now if they've got some of the white paint, and just cut around the messy parts with the white paintbrush just to neaten it up. So this looks like the paint here, vinyl soft sheen, brilliant white, wipeable. I've got a little paintbrush. I'm going to just cut round the letters with the paintbrush and make it look neater. So I've gone round with the white, and now I'm going to use a little bit of black, the paintbrush, to neaten up inside. So that's the completed 934 logo, and now I'm going to move on to the Batman, which is going to be up there. Completed 934 logo, moving on to the Batman. So you can see up above behind me we've got the Batman logo with the Joker ha 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 on there. So it's projected. I'm about to fill that in, that'll be quick, and then I can move on to the last piece. So the owner's here. I've done the 93.4 and the Batman logo. So this is Abdul, this is his house. Do you like the Batman logo?
Yeah, all of this is exactly what I had in my mind. Mark has just put it into the world.
Brilliant.
Thank you.
He's smart, honestly.
We've materialised it. What's the word when you manifest? Yeah, we've manifested.
Manifestation, that's what
yeah. Did you want to explain what the number means to you?
Yeah, I mean, that's very important. It's a verse in the Quran.
Yeah.
And basically, as it says, indeed what is to come will be better for you than what has gone by. So if something's left you, don't worry about it. What's coming
is going to be better. Yeah, let's get it. It's definitely going to be better. So we're nearly at the end of the video. One little piece I've got to do up here is an Among Us character just going like this, shush. So we're going to do that in the middle.